I'd rather have new ones rather than old ones. And there's a hormone in the human body called oxytocin. Has anybody heard of this hormone called oxytocin? That is a hormone excreted by males and females during orgasm. And this hormone is being used in treatment for two conditions: autism spectrum disorder, and female girls like you can't have an orgasm. And I'm the guy you want to know, because I know compounding pharmacy in Indiana who sells a pill version of oxytocin hormone that will allow this beautiful girl to my left and right and the middle, all the beautiful girls here, have the best orgasm of their life by taking a simple pill that is not a drug, it's a hormone. I don't call hormone drugs, they're hormones. And the hormone is known as oxytocin, and it's related to contractions of labor. But it also relates to orgasm, men and women.